Hello children, how are you? Hope all of us are doing good. Now we will begin with our fifth chapter today and the title is What is it? Now it's a very beautiful and funny little poem. But before I begin this poem, let's look at the knowledge bite. Do you know how rabbits express their happiness? Children, have you seen rabbits around you? And have you ever observed how do they express that they are happy with whatever they are doing or whatever they have to eat? Now, read the poem and find out. So, I am very curious. I hope you are too. So, let's begin with the poem. Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hop he goes. I hope children, you know the meaning of twinkly. Twinkly means something that is shining. And what is the meaning of hop? When you jump a little to move from one place to another, you are hopping. So, tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hop he goes. So, this creature has very tall or big ears and its nose is shining. And its tail is very small, very tiny. And how does it move? This creature hops to move from one place to another. What is he? Can you guess? I feed him carrots and watercress. So the poet is now asking you, what is this creature? Can you guess the name of this creature or animal? I think you have guessed it by now, but the poet gives us even more clues. What does he tell us? I feed him carrots and watercress. So what does the poet feed this little animal? Carrots यानी कि गाजर and watercress. Watercress एक तरह की लीफी वेजिटेबल है जो कि जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा पानी होता है उसके बैंक्स में या साइड्स पे ग्रो करी जाती है. तो जो पोएट है वो इस छोटे से एनिमल को कैरेट्स और वाटरक्रेस फीड करता है या फिर खिलाता है. His ears are long, his tail is small, and he doesn't make any noise at all. So again, what are the clues that the poet is giving us about this creature or animal? वैसे आई एम श्योर कि आपने और मैंने सही गेस करा है कि पोएट कौन से एनिमल के बारे में बात कर रहा है. बट स्टिल लेट अस लुक एट द क्लूज दैट ही इज गिविंग अस. ही इज टेलिंग अस हिज ईयर्स आर लॉन्ग. इसके बहुत बड़े बड़े कान हैं. हिज टेल इज स्मॉल. पूंछ बहुत ही छोटी सी है. And he doesn't make any noise at all. And this creature or this animal actually doesn't make a lot of noise or sound. Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hop he goes. Again, he is telling us with tall ears and a very small or tiny tail and a nose that is always shining, this creature or animal hops as he moves around. By the way, I guess all of us have guessed by now that the poet is talking about a rabbit. So I hope children that you enjoyed this poem as much as I did.